Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, Digger Evans Model Railway. What we're looking at now is a box that's just been delivered a short while ago. I've not opened it, and we'll open it now and see. It's a long box. It's not heavy, it's just very long, too long to fit into the frame all at once. And we'll it's got taped up at one end with parcel tape, so we'll try and cut that loose. Oh, voila, there we have it. Lovely. These, my friends, are a series of bridge sides. Bring them up close, laser cut, and they don't look very good at the moment. They look like a bit big and clumsy and what have you, and not quite what you'd expect. As you know, I've got a bridge on my layout on the north side, a rail bridge called the Commodore Jerry Memorial Bridge. It's in concrete at the moment, but I think it's going to look better in steel. And I know what you're all thinking, oh Digger, this looks like wood. It's got no detail, there's no rivets and anything like that. There's nothing to it. Don't you worry, I will. Shut up, hey, be quiet. I'm actually going to add all those details in my next video. We'll be showing at least one of these having the rivets and things added to it, which is a very clever way of doing it, and I'll show you all how we do it in the next video. That's all it was, a quick update to show you the little project I'm on with now for the bridge on the north side. Thank you all for quick looking in. That's all it was, just to know. It's a long bridge, that's why I've got 6 lengths of these, so that we can put 3 aside and make it look good. So thank you all for looking in. Just a really quick hello. Thank you all very much. I'll be back with you very soon. Bye bye for now, my friends. Take care.